Okay, friends, I hope you came up with some sentences for the word sink. I have a sentence I want to share with you. Are you ready? I'm going to write it. I wash my hands in the sink. Wow! What sentence did you come up with? Turn to the adult sitting next to you for heads together and tell them what sentence you came up with, and then ask them what sentence they came up with. That's great sharing. You guys are doing awesome. Okay, Squaker has one more word for you today. Are you ready to find out what it is? Faucet. Can you guys say that word with me? Faucet. Faucet. A faucet is just like a sink. It's just a different word. They both have the same meaning, just two different words. Isn't that neat? Sometimes that happens, like flower and flour. Flour can grow in a garden. Flour is also something you use to bake with. It's a white powder. Okay, so back to sink and faucet. Let's spell the word faucet. Ready? F-A-U-C-E-T. Faucet. Let's try it together. Faucet. Great job, friends. We have sink and faucet. Are you guys ready to make a sentence? I bet you are, because you already knew what to do. Let's try making a sentence for the word faucet. Are you guys ready? The faucet has a leak. Oh no! The faucet has a leak? That's unexpected to have water dripping. Is that a small problem, a medium problem, or a large problem? Small problem, you can fix it on your own. Medium problem, you need a little help. And a big problem means you need a lot of help. Yeah, a faucet leak is something that requires extra help. Sometimes you can do it by yourself, but you still need tools and you need to know what to do. So, look, sink and faucet. You guys did such a great job making sentences with our two words. Are you guys ready to sing our song, Letters Together Make Words? Before we do that, you guys have been working really hard all school year on washing your hands. Washing our hands is something very important. It's also been talked about a lot with this coronavirus. Washing our hands is proper hygiene. So before we sing our Letters Together Make Words song from Squaker, we're going to sing our hand washing song. But you guys already know it, so we're going to sing it together. And I have my handy dandy poster. Are you guys ready to do it? Remember, the tune is Farah Jaka. Ready? Tops and bottoms, in betweens, scrub your hands together, wash them clean. All right, guys, this experiment, or a song, also has an experiment. Now, when I post our activity, I will tell you what the experiment is, and then you can try it with your families, okay? Because it's really fun, and it teaches you about how germs stick to your hands unless they're scrubbed off properly. And it'll have two ingredients that you need besides water. You're gonna need oil and cinnamon. Okay? So, those are things you usually have laying around your house because they're also things we cook with. So, it's expected to have certain things around our house. If you don't have them, small problem. You could try any oil, coconut oil, vegetable oil. You could even use shampoo. Okay? And cinnamon. You could also use another spice that's like a powder like cinnamon. Or you can use flour. You could use sugar, doesn't work as well, but it could be used. Okay? So, small problem if you don't have cinnamon and oil. You can find something else to use. All right, are you guys ready to listen to our song from Squaker? And then after, you can do the science experiment. Okay? All right, let's get our song ready. Sorry, Miss Anna has to get all the chords all set up for our song. Okay, are you ready? Get ready. Together make words, learn to each day.
We put the words together and we have a new sentence to say. Squaker can say lots of words, he helps us learn them too. We talk about the words and then we know how to use them with you. Letters together make words, we learn new words each day. We put the words together and we have a new sentence to say. Squaker can say lots of words, he helps us learn them too. We talk about the words and then we know how to use them with you.
All right, friends. Thanks for joining me for Word Time and Squaker. Squaker, would you like to say goodbye to your friends? Bye, friends. It was so nice to see you. I'm glad you joined me for Word Time today, and I hope you enjoy doing the science experiment that your teachers put together for you. Learning new science experiments is so much fun. Don't forget, make smart guesses. That way you can see what happens and learn how to be an expert scientist. Have a great day. Bye, friends. See you next time.